open your GCash app. Pumunta po kayo sa, ito yung GCash app. Punta po kayo sa profile at dyan makikita po ninyo yung profile limit, subscription center, my link accounts, my QR code, setting. I-scroll down nyo pa po, pumunta kayo dito sa my help section. Pindutin nyo po yung help section, transaction, my support ticket, service advisory, get help. Pindutin ang get help. Ayan, nandito, help, how do I get fully verified? How can I increase? How can I avail G-Loan? Babaan nyo pa po. Puntahan nyo po ito, yung nasa baba. Your account, your load, transfer. Ito, G-Loan. Sorry, ito G-Loan. Asan yung G-Loan? Nawala. Ito, G-Loan. Pindutin ang G-Loan. Pagkapindot po ng G-Loan, sa bandang ibaba, ayan ito, nandito sa ibaba, contact us. Contact us. Ito po. Pindutin yan. Chat GG. Ayan pwede nyo silang kontakin. Chat with GG or tumawag sa kanilang hotline. Ito po. Call our hotline 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. only. 24/7 for urgent concern like scam, fraud, lost, stolen phone, unauthorized transaction, etc. etc. Ano yung number na pwedeng tawagan? Ito, nasa baba din po. 2882. O kaya yung landline 0272139999. O kaya pwedeng call via internet. Pindutin nyo po yan. So, ang gagawin nyo, magfa-file po kayo ng ticket case. Chat with GG. Pag chat nyo po with GG, nag-chat na siya. Sabihin mo dyan, submit ticket case. I-type mo. Submit ticket case. Ayan. Thinking si ChatGG. Sige. Hintayin natin mag-reply si ChatGG. Live chat agent, live chat support not available. I can help you find the right solution. Ticket case. Ticket. Type mo dyan. Lagay mo dito, G-Loan did not receive. Did not, mali pa spelling ko. Did not receive. Send. Send, G-Loan. Ganyan. Hintayin nyo lang po yan mga kaibigan. Magre-reply. Medyo matagal lang si Gigi mag-reply. Mention that you did not receive G-Loan. Is this correct? Yes. Tagal mag-reply ni Gigi. Actually, check niya yata account ko. Wala po kasi akong niloan eh. Just to clarify, are you referring to not receiving the G-Loan funds in your GCash wallet, or is your payment for G-Loan reflecting your account? G-Loan fund referring to not receiving the G-Loan funds in GCash wallet. Ganyan, tsaga-tsaga lang po tayo. Tignan natin, hindi natanggap hindi dumating yung pera. Tignan po natin mga kaibigan. Not receiving the G-Loan funds in GCash wallet. Ang mahirap kasi nito, wala naman akong G-Loan. Ayan. Eto na, basahin natin. To help resolve your concern about not receiving your G-Loan funds in your GCash wallet, please follow these steps. Check your GCash transaction history if the G-Loan fund loan disbursement is reflected. Check nyo daw po yung history ninyo. Baka may pumasok po doon. Number 2, if the transaction status shows failed or pending, the funds will return to the source account within a few minutes to 3 banking days. Pinakamatagal 3 araw na banking days. Ibig sabihin, hindi kasama yung Sabado at saka Linggo. If the status shows successful but the funds are not in your wallet, please check if you have exceeded your GCash wallet limit. If so, the transaction will fail and the money will return to the source account. If you have checked all this G-Loan and still not received your G-Loan funds, please log into your GCash app, tap help, and then tap chat with Gigi for further assistance. Let me know if you need more help or if you have additional details about your G-loan concern. Ang problema po kasi mga kaibigan, itong app na gamit ko, wala namang G-loan account. Kaya, yung mga inquiry ko tungkol sa G-loan, hindi niya talaga ma-open. Alam mo yun, kasi wala nga akong G-loan. No? So, just to show you, yan po yung gagawin ninyo para po anong tawag doon sinasabi ko? Para makausap nyo po si ChatGG. Okay?